Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to do pop art portraits in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Take a photo. Take the selection tool and select the subject. Now click on mask option. Click this and click on gradient. Now click this and set the settings and click OK. Now select both the layers and right click and click on convert to smart object. Now press Ctrl+J, hide the first layer, go on the second layer and click on filter and then click on filter gallery. Now click on poster edges and set the details and click OK. Now unhide the first layer and change it to soft light. Now go on the filter option and click on pixelate. Then click on color halftone, set the details and click OK. Click image option and click on image size. Then set the details and click OK. And boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.